The herbal medicine is good for smell.
Okay.
Yeah, that's number 2. And good for the sleeping. And near the pillow for sleeping quality.
Okay.
Yeah, that's have 7 function. Which one you want to? I do which one for you. And I like this brush is 38.
38.
Yes, can smell and 1 year.
1 year?
Yeah, just the smell.
العلاج الرقم الثاني
37 块.
يقول يصلح للصداع. يزينوه لي الحين ويقول حطيه عند الوسادة وثبت ريحته لمدة سنة كاملة.
Yes or no?
Yes, let's do it.
Number 1,
Number 2 for headaches, yes.
Okay, you take 1 bag. Take 1 bag, I do. Yeah.
اوكي يلا نختار واحدة عشان يحط بها العلاج.
Yeah, that's
اوكي هذه حلوة. This one.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Sit down, please. Yeah, sit down, please. Where you come from?
شو اسمه السعودية بالصيني؟ شاتو ألبو.
Oh, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Good. A very rich country. Yeah.
No, like Chinese.
No, Chinese is poor.
Very.
Chinese is a very wealthy country.
No. Chinese is very poor. Yeah. Saudi Arabia very good. Really. Dubai?
No, Riyadh. Dubai is not Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Dubai is Saudi Arabia.
No.
Okay. Very rich. Yeah. And
لا
then
الحلال ما احنا
near
فريش.
the pillow you can smell 1 year.
For 1 year, yeah.
Do the video.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Maybe one more again.
I need to brush. What is it?
This one. Well, that's nose. Yeah. Come. Smell this one.
هذا
اسمع.
الناس. For أتشو.
Yeah, achi. For achi. Okay, this one. Achi. Yeah, very nice. Nice. Good.
Just a minute.
Okay, come on. Oh, you live in China?
No.
No?
No.
Holiday?
Just for the day.
Okay. The little criminal. Yeah,
Huh?
little criminal.
Yeah.
Yeah, little criminal, this one.
ما أدري إيش تقول.
Smell. Very good.
الحين يجمع لنا أعشاب
This
لعلاج
one is for
العطاس.
sleeping. Yeah, for sleeping. That's it. Achi.
أتشو.
Когда сложно заснуть. Следующая комаров.
Okay? Yes or no? And then this one near the pillow.
Okay.
Okay.